It is a heavy duty machine. This is meant for work. It is not necessarily a recreation machine. So when you look at some of the competitor units out there, they may not have as big of a box. They may not be able to carry as much. And that is what we have focused on with this unit.
Want to put some extra horsepower behind your operations? Click the link below to subscribe to Equipment World's daily newsletter for the latest construction equipment news, trends, and reviews.
My name is Colin Solis and I'm the product manager for the Bobcat UTV. What we have here is the UV34XL. That is our crew model. We have 6-seat capacity in this, 1,250 pounds in the bed, 2,000 pound towing capacity. This is a work machine and a people mover. Top speed of 35 miles an hour. The gas variant is at 39.9 horsepower. It's a 1,000 cc dual cylinder single overhead cam engine. This unit has been upgraded with an improved clutch. We have suspension guards on this. What you see on this unit right now is the limited package, and that's going to get you the brush guards, the running boards, the LED light bar, a tip-out windshield, a rear sliding windshield, 360-degree work light, as well as an aluminum bed box, and a 4,500 pound multi-mount winch on the rear. This unit is also outfitted with our salt and sand spreader. You have enough amperage on this unit at 75 amps to be able to run this, a blade, as well as your lighting accessories, and still have access for more. This unit is for somebody that needs to get a job done or move people around a site. This is great for municipalities, for contract work, for construction, and grounds maintenance.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.